Yo, what's going on? It is Friday, May 15th, 5:52 p.m. today. No trades. I waited on one trade the entire day and it low key left me. Um yeah, man, just was really stuck on one trade. Oh my gosh, why isn't it letting my face cam move? Come on, OBS. But yeah, really was just focused on one trade. Um, but let's talk about it. So coming into today, I was bullish. Look at all the stuff that we have above. We have an hourly, we have a 4 hour paired with that London high. We have all-time highs, which is previous day high. We have PM highs, we have Asia high. Why is that? Because last night we had a huge ass fucking range. Asia session dumped 630 points. Like, we have a big ass range. I want to see the range get rebalanced. Um and yeah, honestly was looking for something towards these equal lows possibly. But I'll show you why that never amounted. Off of this 5 minute, we could see something towards these equal lows possibly, right? This, oh, by the way, stock paper scissors lotion model indicator. Same way that I trade pretty much. I trade a little bit differently, but it is pretty much, this is the foundation of it. So it's really nice to have. Shout out Will. Yeah, get this. If you are watching this, bro, I recommend this. If you want to trade the way that I have been, yeah, tap into it. All right, with that being said, right, so 9:30 opens. It's like, boom, we leave a nice wick and we start manipulating down. So we leave another big ass wick, but what do we leave in here, right? We leave this 30-second, which I would have loved to see just immediately happen. But we never get that. We don't have anything to take down to this 5 minute gap either. Unless you just took this initial 30-second, which I'm not trading that quick into market open, to be 100% honest. That 5 minute gets tagged into. We do get this initial inverse, but I'm waiting on the higher one, the more premium one. And that never amounts to anything. Oh, shit. Hold on. Let me go back. That never amounts to anything. We still have these equal lows below, which I would have to see, like, for example, is there a 1 minute any bit lower? Let's see. Would have to see, like, this one get tagged into, like, this one get inversed. This 1 minute. Okay, they're paired together. Yep. Okay. So I would have to see this 1 minute get inverse, but by the time this inverses, the limit would not have worked because you would have set a limit. And let's see. Oh, you would have gone. Oh, you would have gotten edged. Oh. Now I know myself. My limit would have been right at the fucking fair value gap. This would have been the trade for me. I know myself. Let me be real. I know myself. Would have been that stop. Break even at that stuff. TP down here. Yeah, I know myself. Would this have even hit? So it would have been break even. Yeah, I would have gone break even. And then it ultimately, yeah. 100% would have gone break even. I know myself. Still looking for this 30-second. I didn't even peep that fucking short, bruh. Still just trying to get this 30-second. But let's take a look at something real quick. Because if we take a look, this inverses, yes, it delivers to the equal lows, but it fails to run out more buy side. We see no SMTs created at all, as we are under it on both assets. We see another inverse to the upside. No delivery. And these are bullish fucking candles, bro. These are really strong bullish candles, but no delivery. It shits the bed down. We get another. I think this was a 1 minute. Oh, no, this was a 30-second. Let's see what it was, though, to be 100% certain. Oh, this was targeting. What was this down here? This was something down here. Oh, sell side liquidity. Just really this big ass wick because, look, again, more bullish momentum up. After sweeping all of this, right? We sweep all of this. We get beautiful displacement to the upside, and it just fucking fails. Oh, never mind. It doesn't. Huh, why did I not look at this? Oh, no SMT, and I was still obviously set on the lotion model variation of taking the more premium inverse, which this was like the trade idea I wanted. So I'm waiting on it right here. Right? And nope, we don't get it. From here, shits the bed down again. Like, it's not delivering. You know what I mean? we then have this 30-second, which is like with this much displacement, SMT internally, I'm sorry, this much displacement, you could take this to the internal buy side because we clearly don't want to go higher. I just wanted longs and I wanted that 30-second because I loved the jaws above it. Like I thought the higher time frame bias would have been all the way up here because we got to rebalance that range, especially after we just sold off, but apparently not. So then we just fucking create nothing to these equal lows down here. And oh, here it is. Here's what I want to go back to. Here's what I want to talk about. This is the main point of today's episode. Obviously, I'm seeking this 30-second over here, right? But we have this other premium 30-second, and it's like, which one on here would I take? Should I take this one, go and break even at the swing high? But now my trade looks like this, pretty much, instead of that. So I can take this, go break even, whether it's here or here. Probably here I'd go break even at. But it's like we still have this other gap that's yet to get inversed. So I wait on, I mean, displacement wise, you want to see like, okay, beautiful rejection wick out of the lower 30-second. Fucking gorgeous if you can get like 2 to 3 candles, right? This is gorgeous. This is market order. This is fucking gorgeous. Boom. Honestly, just leave it at 30 points. TP obviously now a little bit more higher. Still going to go break even like right here. Right? So boom. Now you buy one right here. Boom. This obviously isn't how I do it. Right? And as you can see on that candle, would this have even hit? Yeah, right? Okay, but right, I'm waiting on the more premium 30-second still because this is, you know, the higher one pretty much. That's what it is. I could have definitely ran a tighter stop. Something like, I could have 100% ran something like this. But as I was saying, right, I still wait on this more premium 30-second. We have the displacement we need. It's looking really nice. But the inversing candle takes 930 and it leaves me with nothing. So what this leads me to think of, and then I pretty much like was like, yo, I'm about to get off after this. Like I wanted to see complete momentum towards that, and we don't really get shit else. I faded this trade just because of the lack of displacement. Would have just been towards the internal buy side. I did look at it. I faded it. One, we created equal lows. Well, those are 30-second, but it would have just been towards the RR. Yeah, I faded this. And as you can see right here, I know myself would have probably went. Oh, no, would have even had the chance to go BE. Yep, see, save myself from L. And I was off by like 1045. But back to this. It's like, do I start taking the most premium inverse of the more recent leg, or do I still wait on the completely old one? That's a question I need to figure out more and gather more data on. Because something like this, going break even here, even though that this is the main target, could still obviously work with this kind of displacement, the rejection and beautiful displacement that we just seen. But this is the more confirmed, the more confirmation seeking way to do it. So it leaves me in a little bit of a stumble, but yeah, that's why I didn't take a trade today. But yeah, things are going to change soon. I know it for certain. Yeah, man, with that being said, let's just, what the fuck? Who's outside the house? That being said, let's just continue to work, bro. Let's keep a positive mindset. Accounts are all down 350 to 400. Let's just stay positive and keep working, man. Seriously. I believe in me. This summer is going to change my life. I know it, bro. This summer is going to change my life. I can do this. I believe in myself. I need to be more risk on. I will be more risk on. So, yeah, let's just dabble into it, man. Peace, love, positivity. Thank you for tuning in. Much love.